Hello, it's Brandon Bakes, and today we'll be baking in something you don't usually bake in, the microwave. And we're going to be baking English muffin bread. So what you're first going to need is a half cup of water, 2 cups of milk, 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 5 cups of flour, and cornmeal, and 2 bread pans. What you're going to do now is get your 2 cups of milk and half cup of water, put them in the same dish, and microwave it for 1 minute. So my milk and water actually took 1:30 to cook because you need it hot enough to activate your yeast. Let's pull it out of the microwave now. And the way you can test if it's warm enough is stir your finger on it. Don't dip it in there, stir, because it might be cold or near the bottom. Now you mix your dry ingredients together. So your 2 teaspoons of salt, your 1 tablespoon of sugar, your 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, and I already have 3 cups of sugar in here, but you want to pull 2 cups of flour aside. I meant flour, not sugar. Alright, put it down, and then mix it so it's all mixed together. It's pretty well mixed now. Now mix your yeast. We have 2 packets of yeast. Cut the top off and just pour it right in. Now the second packet. And then mix it. And let the yeast mix into everything. You gotta get down the edges a little bit. Using that just a little bit. Alright, now add your milk and water. And the rest of your flour. Alright, so I've added my 2 cups of flour, and we're going to mix it in now. It's really getting thick like dough now. I'm going to scrape those walls, but I want to keep a constant mix, so I'm going to have it a little bit slower. And then you want to put cornmeal on it. And cover a lot of the pan with cornmeal. Right. Almost got the entire pan with cornmeal. And then you want to put cornmeal on it and cover a lot of the pan with cornmeal. Right. Almost got the entire pan with cornmeal. And I got a little excess cornmeal, so just dump that out into like a little bowl. And now we'll check on the dough. Alright, now we gotta take the dough hook off. Just gotta scrape it quickly because I want all the dough. Alright, get the dough hook off and take the dish off and get half of it in both pans. Alright, let's put them into the dough pans now. Okay. Get off my spatula. It's heavy. It's also really hard to get all of it out. I really scrape the edge. It's hard to get it out. Alright. Just trying to get all of it out. Alright, now you gotta make the dough flat. Alright, then smooth out the dough a little bit. Just get the little lumps out of it. Alright, and then put it in a warm place for 45 minutes. The warm place that I chose is the microwave. Okay, they're done rising. Let's pull them out of the microwave. I'll leave one in there, and you cook it for 6 minutes in the microwave. So the muffin bread just got done cooking. Let's pull it out. Here it is, just set it on there. And let's put the other one in for 6 minutes. Alright, so the other one just got done. Let's see this one now. Alright, here it comes. That one looks good too. Alright, so the bread's ready to taste test, but it's been cut. I didn't cut it, I had my mom cut it because it's very spongy and you need to use an electric knife to cut through it. But electric knives are not really good for kids to use on this, but let's taste test it now. That tastes so good. It tastes like an English muffin. Alright, it's actually like an English muffin. And when you toast it up and put butter or jelly on it, it is so good. If you make this, I recommend that's what you do with it. That's the best form. But if you like this video, like and subscribe. And if you have any recipes, leave them in the comments below. Bye!